Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Hisense TV red light flashing. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if you're having problems with your Hisense TV here and you're seeing that red light flashing, well, in this case, there are a few things that you could try here. So in this case, the first thing you could do here is do some basic troubleshooting. So what you need to do first here is you want to make sure that you have your components or your wires connected properly. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to check your HDMI. Now, on your HDMI, you want to make sure that they're actually pretty connected. So in this case, you should see the whole plug go in the TV itself, and vice versa. You need to make sure the HDMI is connected on the whatever device you have, like a console or a TV box. But in this case, just make sure it's properly connected and it's all the way in. Now, another thing that you might want to check here is the power of your TV. So in this case, like for example, if you're connected in one of the outlets here, you might want to change to a different outlet just to test things out. Sometimes the problem itself can be the power outlet itself, and that would cause problems on your TV. Like for example, it's not getting enough electricity. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is do a soft reset. So how do you do a soft reset here? So soft resetting your television is just basically draining out the power from your television. So in this case, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV, or turn it off first, then unplug it from the outlet here, and just wait for an hour or a few minutes. Then once the hour is up or a few minutes is up, you can go ahead and plug it again and see if that solves your issue. Now this is a soft reset, so it will not erase any data that you have on your TV or whatever settings you set on it. Now, in this case, if you're sure that you've done the basic troubleshooting steps, there's still a few things that you could do here if the problem still persists. Now, another thing that you could do here is to do a full factory reset. Now, by the way, this is a manual for a TV or for a Hisense TV here, so it might be different depending on the model that you have. But in this case, generally speaking, you need to go to your settings, go to support, and you should be able to see your set to factory default. But if you can't access it this way, you could go ahead and open up your manual and see how you could reset or factory reset your TV. Now, this is the final thing that we could do here to probably solve this issue. But then again, if you're in your last wits here, there's a last thing that you could do here, but it's not something that we can actually directly handle. So in this case, you need to contact their customer support. So typically you need to go to your official website, which is going to be hisense.com. And usually at the very bottom, you should see contact us. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you want to go ahead and choose the appropriate option. So for example, we want to choose service. Enter the following details here, your model number and what questions you have here, or you could go ahead and basically do a message here. Just click on submit my inquiry. Now they will reach out to you via email since they require you to enter your email here, but in this case, just interact with them via email and say that you need assistance on fixing your TV, because most likely if you can fix it in the previous methods that I've shown you, most likely the problem itself is the TV and you might need some servicing or a technician to properly fix it. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.